What happens when your off-grid battery bank drops to critical levels? The sun disappears for days, and your solar panels are completely useless. Most people panic and pull out a noisy, fuel-chugging gas generator, but there is a silent, solid-state solution sitting right inside your wood stove, and it uses pure fire to charge your batteries. This isn't magic, it's physics. By taking advantage of the Seebeck effect, you can create direct current electricity using nothing but a thermal differential. But here's where 90% of DIYers wreck their build before they even start. If you grab a cheap Peltier cooling module, the internal solder melts at 300 degrees and destroys the unit. You must use a dedicated thermoelectric generator, or T-egg module, rated for high heat. To get real power output, you need maximum delta T, the temperature difference between the hot side and the cold side. You clamp the hot plate directly to your heat source, apply high-temp thermal grease, and run a water loop or heavy fin heat sink across the cool side. The raw voltage coming off the TEG module fluctuates with the heat of the fire. To safely charge a 12V battery, you wire the output into a cheap MPPT or mini buck-boost converter to regulate the current. The result? A completely silent backup system with zero moving parts that turns waste heat into reliable emergency power all winter long. I've tracked down the absolute best real-world stress test and build blueprint from one of the sharpest builders on YouTube. I dropped the direct links to their channels in the description below so you can see their exact wiring and thermal numbers. Check it out and stop letting your waste heat go to waste.